ang mga tao na mataas ang blood sugar, every 10 minutes, isang bisis lang. So anong kailangan? Ang kailangan, pulse electromagnetic field, ganyan. Para yung puso magkaroon ng sufficient frequency para itutulak yung red blood cells. Kaya kung walang tulakan dyan, hindi magkaroon ng microcirculation, kaya nakasakit yung tao. Kano hindi magkasakit, hindi umabot yung oxygen and nutrients sa buong parte ng katawan. Kaya yan, 30 minutes lang yan. Ang strength dyan, 1 to 10. Mag-ubisa ka sa 3. Then 4, then 5. Maglabasan ng toxins dyan. Magkaroon ka ng dyan. Ang katumbas dyan, para madaling maintindihan, ang 30 minutes nga paggamit mo dyan, para ka nag-aerobic ng 2 oras. Yun ang katumbas dyan. Kaya sa Only Life, ang sinasabi, health should be one of the most important goals in our life. And we should improve our health every day through healthy lifestyle and scientific exercise. By scientific exercise, it means that using that machine, Only Life Therapy 90 machine, for 30 minutes as if you're into aerobics for 2 hours. Yun, ganyan. So, you can use it twice a day. So, umaga, bago maligo ka muna, bago ka gamit yan.
So, bakit kailangan natin tanggalin ang mga device?
Maka-apekto yan sa maka-apekto lahat yan sa kuryente.
Electricity.
Oo. Hindi ko alam kung nag-record ba yun.
Napindot mo ba?
Oo, pindot ko.
Naputo yata.
Hindi. Nandun pala. Dito pala yung video. Hindi na putol. Nakano pala.
Hindi napindot?
Hindi, napindot man ito.
Okay na siya.
Pero, 2 bisis. Natapos yung isa. So, inulit ko. So, ganyan. Ang ginagawa mo dyan, dito naman, you'll be allowed to use 3 times. 3 times. And the 4th time, you will pay 150. However, if you can bring a guest, then your 3 times will be extended. Every time you can bring a guest, your 3 times will be extended. And you will end up not paying anything. So, one thing good with the opportunity of Only Life is this. All are welcome. Those who want to make money in life are all welcome. Anyone can sell the product of Only Life. Si Ray. Whoever will, di ba parating, siya yung sinasabi mo, maparating, nag-usap-usap ka siya doon. So whoever can sell, can be registered. And all the benefits of the complan will go to the person who was able to make a sale. And the product will be delivered at the address of the person who paid, wherever they are. It can be delivered right at the doorstep of anyone in 158 countries. So there is really no need for you to be bringing Only Life machine because it will be delivered. And anyone can use credit card. So how much is the price? It's $1,120. And how much is the rate? Depending on the rate of the peso versus dollar on that day. But if the payment is cash, it is 75,000 pesos. And the 10,000 pesos will go to the sponsor. That is outright commission.